Very bright and open first floor unit overlooking gorgeous courtyard, beautifully kept west/Gleaming HW Floors, oak doors, trim and crown molding, beautiful and comfortable living room, west exposed brick eat-in kitchen, west maple cabinet, spacious bath, west/Whirl-Pool Tub In-Unit Laundry. For your convenience at this price, unit would make a great investment property or your new home. Short walk to CTA, Metra, Lake, Starbucks, Health Club, great shopping, several parks, dining and dry cleaners. Make your appointment ASAP.